Alright, I'm just gonna flip it on my hair. Okay. Oh, that's looking real ready to go. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Vacay here. If you're new here, we go over hair hacks, hair tips, wig reviews, family. You see my son in the back looking crazy. Give me 1 second. Okay, where was I at? Okay, over here we do a little bit of everything, you know, hair hacks, skin hacks, tips. You know, I'm trying to get my dark spots to go away. And to this video, I want to do a wig review, but I also want to talk about, I probably like named this like how I became a wig influencer on accident, because it really was an accident. I never thought I would be doing some wigs or even learning how to do wigs. I want to talk about how I got into it. So today we're going to be doing Iseehair. Okay, first off, look at this packaging. It is so cute and girly, like nothing I would have ever expected to get in the mail. Like, it's glittery, so dang on cute, right? Okay, so before getting into that though, I want to talk about how I even started in this wig game. So first off, I started wanting to get into content creation, so I started, you know, uploading videos of me doing my hair, because I'm always doing hair anyway. I used to be a hairstylist for like 15 years. Not consecutively, but you know, throughout my lifespan. So I had started back doing hair, and I just started posting it. I said, you know what, I don't really want to do much. I want to post content for people and show people how to do these things, whether it's in traveling, business. I do a lot of different things, but I started posting my hair. My content started going viral is my straight hair. It's wrapped up because I don't feel like taking it out until I'm about to put this wig on. So I started posting my real hair, which everybody thought was a wig, and boom, that's how it happened. I think, you know, being consistent, not just my hair looking like a wig, but being consistent. Like, all you have to do if you want to start being a wig influencer is being consistent. And that's just in any kind of influencer you want to do, because I started getting tired of wigs, because I'm really not a wig person. Like, the first wig I got, I had my friend put it on me. Like, I'll probably put a video right here, like, she put it on me because it was so hard to do. I didn't know how to even put it on, but I was like, listen, it's new content for people, maybe that's what they want to see, you know. But I also start finding out that it was harder work for me because I didn't know how to do it, so it was a hassle to try to even do it and put glue in my hair, and I'm not even gonna wear it because I feel weird with it on anyway. So it was just like really for a video, which I wasn't even getting paid for at first. Like, some of them I was, some of them I wasn't. I just was trying to keep up with content, and offer a different wide range of things, you know. So that's how I got into that. And yeah, first, when you first get a few, you're not gonna get paid, but you know, it's good exposure. It's good to have that experience with brands, because it gets other people to want to work with you too. So boom. And that's actually how one of this brand found me amongst all the others. They saw me being consistent and posting every day, all day. Iseehair, look at that, it's so nice. Let's open it. And I believe this one was for a TikTok video. Earn with TikTok shop, so you can have different ways to earn. They can pay you and you can get commissions off of that. So just start being consistent if that's something you would like to do, because with anything, let me tell you, I was like, you know what, I want free stuff from my place. I don't want to buy anything. And I didn't, because I started posting my house and just different things around, and guess what, people will start sending you it as long as you're consistent in it. Like, whatever you want to do. Like, y'all probably start seeing me intertwine different things. I was just testing it out. Y'all girlies don't really like all that from me, so tell me what y'all want, because I be trying to test everything out to see what people want. And I got a lot of free house stuff, and I be trying to show y'all. I don't know if they're gonna keep sending it to me, because those videos don't really do well. So, you know, you gotta know your niche too. So that goes with that. You can't like do everything unless maybe your lifestyle. So let's see what's in here. We got an eye little mask when you go to sleep. Okay. They sent me some lashes. Gotta probably give my little sister. Not really a lash girl. I'm a lash extension girl, but they do have them new ones out there. I've been trying them. DIY ones by Lash View are really nice. I like those. Oh, it came with a little bonnet, but I set my own bonnet, so I probably won't rock that. Little chef's bonnet says Princess I see. let's just get into the hair. I'm not really sure what this hair is. I'm not really a wig girly and everything, but I know it's like a glueless wig. You don't have to do anything but put it on, okay? I think I put it on before because it was really nice. Like, look at this hair, like right out the bat. It's beautiful. Reminds me of my hair, really. I tell myself when I don't want to do my hair, I'm gonna put it on, but I always forget. Okay, so I had to go see what this was. It's actually the pre-bleach kinky curly wig, 18 inches. And it's glueless, okay? So we're about to get into it. Let's put it on my head and see just how glueless and ready to go it really is. CJ, let it go. No, like you feeling curly when I want to throw this in a ponytail. Stop. Okay, here, little ponytail. Let's see how ready to go this hair really be, okay? What if I had a last minute date? You know, the outfit was going with curly hair more than straight hair. Because I'm trying to do a thing. Just put a little ponytail on it. I'll tuck it afterwards. Here's the wig. Got the clips. Oh, the little strap part is not strapped. Where'd this go? Oh, here, a little pocket. That's good to know. Did that ever come off? Be careful. Okay. Oh, that's looking real ready to go. What? Stop playing. Okay, let me tuck it back. Let me tuck it back. Now this is gonna do. Oh wow. Little pony in there. Nobody got to know. Nobody even got to know. Wow, I just want to a curly head. Like what? CJ, no way. Look at the edges. The edges is matching. Okay, yeah. CJ, wait. Back up, baby. Nah, y'all saw it live on camera. Oh, my little ponytail sticking out this way. I gotta find a better way to tuck that. That's crazy, okay? Because I ain't do no edges. I ain't did nothing yet, okay? The fact that it's like laying like that, it's looking like that, you know, I'm gonna come back on here and style this. This is definitely gonna be the go-to. Because look, even my hair, like that's my real hair that's hanging out. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. Hey, hold on. This is nice. Because tell me this is not my hair. I love it, y'all. What y'all think, okay? This is Iseehair. Like, they definitely see hair. I see the name because they see that it's supposed to come out the scalp, okay? They see that you don't got that much time, you're ready to go. Like, I ain't even, this came out of the pack. You got the little, it's so soft. It's not nappy. It's this is no product added, y'all. No product added. Like, who am I? I can put my hair up while I try to make it, girl, the real natural hair go curly. I can wear this. You ain't gonna step to me because who? This is a winner, okay? I don't even know what to say. So y'all, if y'all like this video, like, comment, subscribe. I will link the hair below, okay? Like, wow, so cute. I love it. I think I'm actually gonna wear it today. I need to put my wig on the stand so I can see him. Until next time, if you like this video, like, comment, or subscribe. See, you wanna get in there? Look, I'm looking curly head like you. Oh, yours looking a little nappy. Maybe I'll do you a hair video next. Maybe you can really wash your hair. You gonna let mommy wash your hair for you? No? Oh, look at that hairline. Like I ain't even did nothing. It came straight out.